Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35GT-RR version 1. And see, there was that, this is the new one, right? So there was a older Nissan they released in this exact paint scheme. So I didn't buy that one. So I don't know, I didn't like the stands. The wheels were really small on that one. I didn't like particularly that, so I didn't buy that one, but I went ahead and bought this because this looked really nice, so I bought it. So this one, I think I bought it from Cars and Dolls, I guess so. So let's show you the box around first. So the font looks really nice, you can see the TSM model logo. Okay, that's it. So let's get into the casting now. Let's unbox it. Wow, that does look really nice. Let's just, oh my god, that is really tight. Okay, here is the casting itself. I'm actually smelling something. Okay, there is some dust here. So out of the box, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous, especially specifically the paint scheme on this one. And it does have acrylic headlights. The logo placement is really awesome, and you can see the detailing here, which is really nice. The hood details are really nice. But this would look really nice, if we have a good spot to take photographs of this car. This is going to look amazing, specifically under sunlight. Okay, so as usual, the rear view mirrors are made of some kind of silicone. So rest everything is made of metal, including the spoiler and the chassis here. These are metal, and the rims are actually plastic. On top of that, tires are made of rubber. The rims does look really nice. That concave dish, like deep, not deep dish, but slightly. Okay, here is the top. Okay, those are dust. The detailing looks really nice. It does have awesome interior detailing as well. You can see the little heart here. Okay, there is some paint smear here. The glass, you can see. See, I really love the casting so much, but these kind of small things, and it really irritates me, to be very honest. Because this one I bought for somewhere around 1500. So if you're paying that much, it needs to be perfect. But honestly, the casting itself is really perfect. I'm not having any issues with this. So only thing about, see, it always comes down to the paint job, like 99% of the time. It doesn't matter whether it's Hot Wheels or whether it's Matchbox or whether it's MiniGT. So most of the time it will just come down to the paint job, because there is a lot of margin for error there. Okay, let's see if this fits the track and if we are able to do a roll test here. Yeah, it doesn't even roll at all. Okay, that's it. I don't want to roll it multiple times because anyway we know this is not going to roll. But overall it is a beautiful casting. So anyways, the paint smear is not going to be like common thing. It is going to be like maybe only for me, unlike Hot Wheels, because Hot Wheels, whatever I opened, it had some kind of paint issue. So Mini GT, you can barely see these kind of issues. So I think the previous one, the Uru's Performance Day, again, if anyone knows about that, let me know whether it's just a Zamac and clear coat on top of it, or that is a grey paint scheme. I just want to know that. So last but not least, the rear details. So it has acrylic inserts for the tail lights, which is really nice. The logo placement is also really nice. The exhaust detail looks good. It has some issue here, you can see. Oh, that is disappointing. Wow, first time MiniGT let me down a little bit. And this also the Uru's performance. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.